All right, back to the review. I forgot the selfie stick because I guess maybe I'm just not quite basic enough yet. But we'll go ahead and review this 4K rally tower. Perfect. High beam, low beam. Now, bit of a trick here. I'm up on a edge of a mountain, so the headlight doesn't really show very far for this review spot, but this tower's cool. Probably give me cancer. All right, first things first, let's review this headlight and see how it's going for me. It's going great. It's good. Visibility's great. It's definitely way brighter than the stock setup. It's definitely not as bright as my previous setup, which was a 12 LED 60 watt bar here with 4 floods on each side and 4 spots in the middle. So it threw a ton of light and it threw light everywhere. And then I also had rock lights under here. They were only 3 watts, but they were LED, and they really did a good job of showing me what was right around my feet. Those are gone now. And also I had a Cyclops LED headlight over the factory setup. So honestly, my previous headlights were pretty good. I don't have any really videos of them with this camera, I don't think. My new DJI and the GoPro wasn't as good in the dark, so I'll try to drum something up, but it's not really a fair comparison. But those lights were definitely brighter no matter how they look in the video, significantly. But this is really good. It's far better than any stock headlight setup I've ridden. I got 4 floods down there and 2 floods and 2 spots in the high beams. So honestly, it does a really good job of throwing a bunch of light out there right where you want it. So it's really good. And for reference, I'll turn the headlights off, and it's really dark out here. I don't even know if you guys can even see. Oh yeah, this DJI does pretty good. Pretty good at night. From what it's showing on the screen here, pretty sweet view. And 4K rally tower at night, no complaints. Really good. Really good. You turn this key on, you got your voltmeter, and got your classic KTM gauges there. But yeah, really good. Really impressed. Very nice setup. Works very well. Honestly, I aligned the headlights at home and I wasn't sure if I was going to have to realign them. So over here, I'll show you what's in my glove box. I brought my keys to the house, and I brought a cheapest 8mm wrench I got. Drop forged steel, no namer. High end, but yeah, if I lose it, no big deal. I can loosen and tighten the screws down in there, and I can adjust the headlights if I need to. I adjusted them once, rode it, adjusted them just a hair more, and rode it tonight, and it seems really good. So I am gonna get back riding. I got a lot of work to do. It's 9 o'clock. So anyways, I'm gonna get back riding. Got my cutoff, pretty sweet. Doesn't really match camo cutoff and orange pants, but good visibility. People will see me and likely hear me on this loud ass. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make my way back to town, taking a little different route than I came up here, and see what we can do. Pretty sweet riding. I'll leave some of the footage up in case you guys want to watch. But yeah, this is Nevada's best. Not me, the trails. But yeah. Gotta clarify that, like you guys didn't know I wasn't the best. Anyways, I suck. We're gonna get the fuck out of here. Okay, so we're finally on our way back to these towers again, because we've been goofed a couple times. Gates that didn't exist anymore. That's about it. So we're not giving up. We're getting to these damn towers. So the entertaining ride's kind of over. I'm just doing the get there no matter what ride, even if I gotta take some mortal dirt road and non-trail. Oh, something in the road. I saw that a couple 100 yards out. Oh, cows, look at them all. Sons of bitches. fucking know for an answer tonight, boys. We're going until we make it, or until I fucking dump her. There she is. That's a ride. Good nighttime ride. Oh, you can see the concert going on. Oops. I'll kill it in a minute. So, what is my elevation? Let's see. We gotta be up here, like 7,000. Hopefully you guys can see that. We'll let it kind of settle in. 72.27. So yeah, town's at like 54, 55, I think. So we're almost 2,000 feet above town. Pretty sick. Pretty sick.